Warklung is a message for freedom. Warklung is a message for peace, and Warklung is a telling for the people, and it's a lesson for each and every one of us.
Through my music, I want to preserve my folk tunes, my folk stories, and my folk culture, dress. At the same time, I want to present it to the world so that the world knows us. The people should realize what roots is all about. We are trying our level best to unite the Northeast, and we are trying our level best to make them realize what they are, and we are trying our level best to realize that we belong to the same God.